Okay, me da wase. Let me say, aseda edi kan ni ye de be ma onu otwedi ampanyankopon. De to so biom ni ye de be ma ye founder Nana Adosu Pachao. Say what the fourth floor e de ama yen emma e te say yen. Ya ye ni die. Ene afefofo a ye si ni enhyemu a ye be hia aye no. Eniama a ye de si ye ni so ana ye botaye for this year 2026. Ene say obi bi ta ye wo contribution a ye tua e de ma ye ho enti ye ne de ya tumu e ma ye nyina ya de atumu ahye mu kena se bibi tu obi a sika ese ye tua no ye increase no ni nyina by 100 Ghana cedis bi edi ho biom no so no ya ye nhihye ye se afi a ye wo mi ye be feed the streets eye nkola ana obi a like only awofo a oda abonten so no ekuo no e de ato ne ho so say afi a yesi mi ye be feed street no afi so this year no ye wa activities bebre a ye be ye ebi ni say ye be support ye single mothers
say ye be boss single mothers bebre na ebre te kuo no we see 2026 mu dem be ho amen mu be ho yan kasa bebre amen ye de nyama papa nko na eku akwa mu te kuo no ye be boss single mothers enti wo ko now ye single mother ma wa be mu wo dey contribute ye bibi afa wo ji e ko ni be bo
eni omumpo a omu ye ejuma no ye wo trip a ye de be ko Lagos
ye wo akonya bi a every year ye ko Lagos automobile show until this year no me aboso kan president akasa and amaka chen say ye man be breedija but ye ni opportunity e betimi explore until no papa na mama akonya say me ma no enipa serious a omo ye serious omo kwa kwan so ye ko automobile show under my company's name. I can only register 10 people, only 10. And I want 10 serious people. Many of them call Lekki, Nigeria, free transportation, free accommodation, and then free lunch.
Wow!
For 3 days.
Mubo mumana, mubo. Anya mudana.
More de.
And into no my name in penny for Jane home. And me the better wenim. Who I will feel say Usika Esra. Obi Bekono the Bemana for Bibia Brewa. Fine. Well, soon in Sawukites can name when Yamana Yakofano. You think who can mumba because you use transport by road, it's not by air. By road into Ufaniamana. Either say a befa agent by co. They are bossy and Yamane Gum, they are Snaka Mwaba. Eba no one Kasawako Yama. Nyama so endorse one obi o beka so menye ready mikita be 2000 me pe provisions kakra otimi de ma obi obeto abrel ene de ebetimi ekita e de aba enu nti no sa program we May April May ya me adoma May 13th 14th 15th 16th enti no de ka ho bia no obi amboa ne ho de wo mu bia no ye de ba betum but I want serious people. I want serious 10 people. And yes, bia me koshe ho no atena ka animu na wa koshe ho. Odrekwa obi kita sika at least senka onya 10 na say 20 na say 50 kra begu ni shopper or the be ye juma. Obi oso wo hokọ dada, ye mu bi kọ dada. Enti no ye mu bi na ye kọ no. Mon contact Abigail and Dinah. I think so mo kọ dada. Into betimi achemo neni so enti no that is it for it enti the baby no we are active or page in so a mo be hu
amen yes
afeso so ye wo trip so aye de be ko Aqua Safari
Aqua Safari no omo be buffet games wo ho buffet ye dia ni bia o pe bia ego esi 500 cedis esi ka so anyesika uchi na ukojuju ho aduani bia ukobeti ubeye games e wi ane aba you know eti kawo owo no buffet it is a buffet no say ye be bia wi ana say be di ni wi no buffet ni aduani bia ho games no be say mo buy swimming pool or free basketball mini soccer table tennis any other golf green
God bring back. Remember the activities all the day. Okay, so what's not what to so just what's not for 10 minutes. What's not for 10 minutes? We got 3.5. Another option. Another option. What's not for? I have 3.5. 10 minutes. Then you walk to island. Island and I can do all the island. Boat riding and say, oh, boat, you want to see, and if I can go to the alpha. Only saying, no far. Or the more points spare one or 2,200. And see, I have a group in the same. I bet not to say a couple of mentioned now for island, and she may have a chat and Henderson. It's not the airport, not the Yaba. Only I got to see the income of that now. I don't know. If I send that, who fail, and you're able to say, you come, I don't make your lunch. And we never did that. Say, but they're not fine, but then they look up. Put it down of the very I'm more fish when you are. If you meet people who never go there, you might be a while. And makes me I are if you me against you and really what I did in a lunch. You did dinner, you really a cock up near. I was lunch, you know. I have to pocket your time. You have one thing against you, and you didn't do Yaba. Yeah, but I can be out, but so many other trips. So that's not just any game.
Yanu ni nyina eye ema ekuo no se de be ya ekuo no ebenya ne kan ko ebi omo nso so no ekuo no san so decide say at the end of every 3 months bia no ye be hia ne adwen ye ho eno na be ma ye be hu say ekuo no se ekoso anase enkoso enti se na wie ku bisa me manum asem a de metumi aka chewa eno no me pa chewa ya register ekuo no na afesi your constitution no so no it is amend wo ho say ye betumi amend no abribia enti abribia no se nhihye foforo ba ye betumi amend constitution no damas
me divide mensa many fought for organizer nhihye akọ ndi agba afem de you say ye hwe ko na ho nde ne ko no eni so ade hu ene de nhihye ne gu akwan mu na you say ni na no so yetutu ye no ekomba no esomuye no mo ne je ho ewo nhihye ye de gu akwan mu mo say ne di kan say programs we ni but ye wo other programs de gu akwan mu say ko ni say de bia na ekoje yie e koja ye fo ekoje we pese ye so e mo aye fa ye hu pie kakra. So komba about time because about time single mother so bebre na omunya time enko programs and say omunya time enform mu kwampie te ko di yama bebre gu akwan mu say bi say ye be ko trip say pese obi ayi na dwendwe ne problem ewo ni poso efi ho na release your stress kakra say mothers and single mothers no ena na eto be ko business store and say business trip so e ko ye ma me no na sika twa ado ye fo na no also the sheshe gwa kom say ye pese ye bo apo no e wo dwadwe mu nti wa ye say ye be ko point a wa okita sika ana say bi kakra wo nsem akose wo start business no o de ye be ko point e ko 3 days sika na ego ye penny no so ana say kuo no so we all say root of the dani edidin ya egu kuo no so wo dia wo no so be ye sika kakra say wo pese wo start business say wo business mo a pese wo ko na wan ko so ka fa wo nyema njina nkan ha mfo beti kwa akofa nyema no okwa a obe kakra wo so no ni na fa ma me no e de egu akwa ma ye say kuo no ebe ma ekoma me no ma wo keka wo mu dwodie mu ana so musika sam no akosoro ena ye bedi anniversary which is 2 years nti anniversary so akwa mu a by December ye bedi anniversary ɛna yɛ hyehyɛ so sɛ yɛbɛfidi needs no ɛyɛ nkwalaa yɛ mpanyinfoɔ yɛbɛma mo aduane ne ntadeɛ ɛwɔ nkan street so yɛngyina baabi baako yɛkɔ akaka ne akɔma aduane ne yɛakyɛ biribi ama adɔfoɔ yɛkɔ akaka ne yɛkɔgye ne yɛakyɛ aduane ama adɔfoɔ nti nhyehyɛ ne deɛ kɔmbɔ no ni agye ɛnyɛ sɛ yɛwɔ kuo mu na yɛkyɛ sɛ da bia na ɛyie na yɛkɔ yɛdu sa yɛtua ɛne yɛ sika yɛtua no ɛnsɛ yɛ ɛndɛ sɛ yɛ ɔmakyɛ biribi ama kuo ba biara ɛndɛ obiara ani agye ho.
Thank you. Na bi mu de twom enu na the Miss Fourth Floor. Miss Fourth Floor. Auntie Swan. Any of us to man said yes, from when you come style, come. No, the last time there is my style. To one style, from style, that's a grandma, be a some and I say, young found to me, you're free, my family in that program. Have a style, come on. One said the wood yard one. I found to be a half and it's a only the wood. They are not it. They will be one with my pampas style. Official Linda do enterprise. Now the signature. See if I before. Yes. It's in my style. You know, I'm not say free to catch. And then I come to Manapa. To share my check. And I say, you are highly the vibe over here. I mean, Shrek is the woman. I mean, when they are too rough. It's then I say interpret. I said the way premier me at the way my style is more than Mama. Nana say, watch it. Why I got you as a young one way to your name. It's to buy a watch and who is selling your busy why you visit here. And yet, sit down. Go back to the other way you have to show imagination stash. I did one. And she has to put down to make that wood. And then I'm 25 most of whom young and I want to buy a watch. I mean, I don't know where you be a bunny of a tower here. Drop any immediate what you did. I had to see you 2026 so baby. Maniogiago.
Obia ni agye ho ye ntoma wei ye di sa ye tuatua no ye kye ntoma pa ye afade ye be be me beto ntoma nda o ma kye ntoma half piece na mesino obia nkopam free ye be ko ye program ye ntoma papa na mode ama ye be ko ye program ya cha na member si na ye juice na ye tua na ne ya mode bo no na ekusu ye maame a ọma ye saa akyede we a ye na ye ni agye a hyehyɛ ye di agwa kwan mu ama memes no obi ani agye omo ani agye sɛ nhyepa ɛwɔ hɔ ma ya afi mu ti e da bi ase e da memes nso ase bi obebia obi ayi ni sika charges no sika no enkɔkwa sika na ye tɔ no enseye sika na ye be tɔtua enyama program sa ye be ye di sika na ye de hyehyɛ saa adwumodie na ebi so wa ye be twa kakra soso e da ye adwumodie ti kakra metumi akafa ye adwumodie afi ye de agua akwan mu no san hyehyɛ ne de ayampa ekuo bia se constitution ni mu a obi aya ne opɛ sɛ ne ayampa ne fo ana sɛ koma no obi wi ne opɛ sɛ ɔyɛ sɛ ya hyehyɛ constitution sɛ wo kuo mu because when tina kuo mu na obi de bia ontua program ana sɛ ontua bi so wo mu utua bi ba kwa untua bi ko program ba kwa untua bi ya he constitution sɛ sɛ wo kuo mu untua wo dues ya ko bebi wo nkɔ register mo untua ebi wo so a mbe mu no ye ma na ya constitution ban so wo mbe mu ya register kuo mu e wo mbe mu nti sa wo from so ya de begina mbe ni e de begina mbe ni ma sɛ sika bi a wetua na na sɛ sika bi a kuo na de ama sɛ wagye benefit sɛ obefi kuo ni e de bo fa mbra kwa so na mbra na ade sika man e betumi aloko
so bi hwe wa adaski be na bi dia fa kuo ni sɛ wo 24 floor ani ne fa mo e de masa ni ba de na be
and that's me dey say obi bia what 4th floor kan TikTok, Facebook, social media handles in your own 4th floor and beyond. I'll be here. 4th floor and yes, we'll be here. TikTok, baby. The guy that say, I am bass on the phone. Yes, I'm back again. Yes, Mbasima, Mbaya Muyajuma. Obia will age my Obia will be beer. Nambaya beer. Our phone. I going to face it phone, but our phone doesn't grow. So Biaka Sabadonia or the Ninja Bar, a Bajonoso. We already are, and Bravo will be between Nawaba John Pomuma, and she showed me the also, Oba Kamwa, when the Bajia, also be one dance actually be a friendly nice sweetie. Proud member of 4th floor and beyond, where maturity speaks. The 4th floor, a mouth quiet, I had a boy here. And I found a more emotion. New Year first meeting of the year 2026. And then Ebeshia was Feta Lodge. Yes, I beg the Abeno. Ya chiche gifts and to ma yes gifts I will go the green. Ama yegina yeniaji. Ya mami na na dosike chew. The beginning of Owu Ebetifi. Ono na we founder. Yes, and there will be a new year. Yes, party more than Kasa. I to chant to Mama Yena. Yes, all my gifts I would do the day. Oh, me join you, pray, dear, me no more. Yes, I said, me you'll be a me pay me. Yes, and me got pray, yes, and many yes, entertainment, like also. Now, the end of me, Joe will call me, said, yes, I will be a bibia. The way I be or Johnny be a poor year, a poor tiny planet, just say, a mammy Nijipa, a mammy feel proud, say my father call me. Inti Nadia Bakuchi Adama Kuma group where mammy Nijini say, group no more single mothers, just say, single mothers. And in the book I can see a sequel, single mothers, a work women, just say, when I fought to know who to sell. Yes, sir. Your blood warm. My baby, I come on with me. So be share. Maybe I make us a pony dear a book. Now, pony dear, a papa. It is a war. Maybe I will say, fear winning. Maybe I will link. Yes, sir. People, papa, now the wash. Mamma wants us a winning idea. No, baby. Yes, sir. For internet ni so what ya na o share numbers na egu ase na pick na free na you are welcome then if 4th floor and beyond where maturity speaks so what ya say the best group for you to join 4th floor ya ji obia ye nya say we wejuma ye tu abi for betu le tie bi ye ko program so betu do ho ahyem yes sir we need yes sir baby odu we be shame you are welcome. Now the Sabutai so by if you ever tie with Yama the other one. Namia fire so I am Mama with me.
Me pacho ye friend me Veronica Agbetuamedo. Na me ba Accra. Me fan is me ba ya check Accra. mefa ne say nanse me maame eto fom na senye for flanka meni ebusiani bi a obeta machi akoboa me because of 4th floor woma boa me a enne manya ebusia omo ba beta machi akomi krom akoboa me enti me pa obia cho say omo mrambe join na eko na eko papa wo join a bibia betu bia o meboa o because enyo omo anka me ene me nka me ni obia
me kasa bebre LOV den love semi do mama Esther me to me nya ni boni semi do abi me nya ni boni se wo do unyonko a unya ni boni obi ye na de kra na oye mu hihye na odo na ye didi kan ewe ekuo na ye me de radio asese nana ado eti ekuo yi ama manya ebusua bebre manya nyonkofo kro mu sinua no bie no obefra me say want to sell gold what say na me so mafo David who can me say me body o me de me body ti me yan fa ma me so yen do ye ho udo unyonko so bi ye na yakayaka de kra usu eye wo ya yen do ye ho ene si we aye say na we afa phone what you see we go any say kutu ene na de bi enwa ye ma ekuo ni enko nanim ba say yetumi sua enye hwi magaya merade odo amido ni ntimi de meja manaka ekuo be ko nani misremu menuanu mumma yentuto ye ho ye domu nyina mumma yentuto ye ho mi sorry na komu di me kra me metumi afaka akọ Esther fie so chale anope mabayan ka ben ami yento ye ho na yenja wati me wakame wesese my ekuoni fan into mapa enfra but me see 2026 whether the devil likes it or not ekuo we we are moving forward.
Thank you.
Yeah, majobi Canada obi che ebe pushi yakoye chi ye de yekoye ni de mu adi kono mu fa nkoba de aka ni de ye bo ho bai na omu be hu ekuo yi omba ka se me hu yanka eso na kechi ti asema me di chairman odo LOVE
Thank you.
4th floor and beyond, where maturity speaks. 4th floor ladies, we never carry last. Your friend 4th floor ladies, a man so no. Yaka ye ho abom say ye beboa ye ho. Na ya power ye ho. Mesrem. Afi nema bebre ne gu akwan mu. Say ye beboa ye ho, ye be co trips, ye be co business trips, ye be having fun, ye be feed the streets, ye be we have a whole package for the year. Anybody who is interested, you are welcome. Come one, come all. But not be joining kuwa. Be mo feel say, uye onuya. Be joining kuwa. Utimi kendi. Be joining kuwa sika ube yino. So aketuya na adi edisika niye. Joining kuwa. Uda na wada. Enti no ye 4th floor ladies ye wa Accra ha. So we here. Your numbers now is 0244 711 707. Uboy ya home moa. Obeti yenka. And also wait me follow you on TikTok, 4th floor and beyond on TikTok, and then 4th floor and beyond on Facebook. Bye bye.
On gift table na ye no ye fe. Ye pese ye bi. Ye ne yonkwan ye. Enti se mo wa ha na ye mo fa. The next meeting no ye nyina so ye be ye. If a meeting no short notice I decided say ye be ye. Enti mo hu ye say ye di bibi ku table so asesa na a round gift table I am who social media no and no and I be ye. What okay. And me too.
Yeah, the people. I can last.